chill creeping through me, saying I'm all alone. I pace around the place with hope that I'd hear the phone, but then the silence of this house screams and now you're gone. No kind of heat can take away this cold night. Every fire in me longs for you to hold me tight, because when you're not around, nothing could ever be right. It'll be a feast for these soul as if you're in my sight. Cause I would tear myself in pieces if it takes pain. And if I know your heart, you know I'll go insane. Baby, you and I walk till the end of the lane. Now there's nothing I can do but watch the pouring rain. Every memory flashing back on the inward eye. You should know I never ever meant to make you cry. You know I've always been true to you, not a single lie. Baby, when you pass by me, hold your head up high, cause I would tear myself in pieces if it takes pain. And if I know you're hurt, you know I'll go insane. Baby, you and I walk to the end of the lane. Now there's nothing I can do but watch the pouring rain. You don't wanna hurt you no more, baby, but I'm just trying to be true. Now that the rain's almost done, the sun is shining through, but then the pouring never ceases. There's nothing I can do. Tear myself in pieces if it takes pain. And if I know you're hurt, you know I'll go insane. Baby, you and I walk to the end of the lane. Now there's nothing I can do but watch the pouring rain. Cause I would tear myself in pieces if it takes pain. If I know you're hurt, you know I'll go insane. Baby, you and I walk to the end of the lane. Now there's nothing I can do but watch the pouring rain.